this is Ross here with Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. Check us out on Facebook, Ross's Carpentry Inc., Ross's Woodworks, and I'm your local handyman. We take care of all your remodel needs, indoor, outdoor. Hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. If you need anything, contact us at 502-548-7462 or check us out on Facebook, check out our YouTube channel. Yeah, we're out here at Westpoint. We want to give you a quick rundown of what we've done, the complete project here. On the front here, we replaced the windows and the siding. We had to put a new water line in. The old water line was old steel, so we had a 24-hour plumber put in a new water line from the meter all the way around. By the way, we put in some new windows back here. This is a new one, and this is a new one. Most of the work was inside, so I'm anxious to show you inside. And here's another new window. Here's a new light that we put up by the outside door. And the receptacle. Check out this receptacle. Oh, the step here. We made a nice little step to go inside. Now for the fun part and the nice part and the exciting part. Here we go. We got a whole new kitchen. We got nice oak front cabinets. Nice white refrigerator, gas stove. Okay, originally there was a wall right here. And right across here, we took them out to give a lot more room. And we did build our little storage closet right here. And have a nice big living room. Check out the ceiling, the nice texture on there. And the fans and lights. It's all hooked up, ready to go. Okay, this is the bathroom. This was actually the kitchen back before we started redoing this house. So it was a very small kitchen. Now it's a nice sized bathroom with the washer area in here. Got a nice stand up shower, water heater. And then the bedroom, we'll show you the bedroom here. Originally her bedroom was quite a bit smaller than this too. So we built a nice sized bedroom and closet. Built the closet in here. There's the access hole. You'll need to get up, insulate more or whatever. And this is the heater. Everything is run by city gas here. Little corner here. We put clothes hooks up, hang up our coats and stuff. We have birch plywood on the wall. That is really cool. I enjoy that. It makes it look like a cabin style house rather than drywall. Just put it up. You don't have to finish it. You don't have to mud it. It wouldn't hurt if it had a coat of polyurethane or stain. It makes a really nice, pretty beautiful finish. I think my most favorite part really is doing the trim work, doing the plywood, doing all the trim around the top and corners and face forward. That is my favorite job, doing trim. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this series for Westpoint. This was a fun project. Glad we've got her done now, ready for the lady to move back in. If you need any carpentry done, woodworks, remodeling, anything like this, or windows, doors, or we also work on mobile homes. We change out mobile home doors to a standard door. That's another specialty that we've been working on recently. We'll show you some of those videos a little later. Hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. So if you need anything, contact us at 502-548-7462. Or check us out on Facebook, check out our YouTube channel, and we do woodwork.